Don't you just love dogs? They are really very special. Man's best friend. They bring so much to our lives. They meet us at the door when we get home, comfort us when we're sad, and even pick up the kids from school. Some dogs are happy-go-lucky and love to have fun, while others are more serious and protect you and the house. And that's not the only job they can do. There are dogs that go hunting, dogs that help the blind, and even dog cops. And cats. You are now rocking with the Cool Cats and me, the D.E.V. There's a big misconception that cats lack personality, that all they do is lay around and sleep. Well, maybe that's not a misconception. But cats have plenty of personality. They just don't put themselves out there like that. They have to size you up first, get to know you. Then if they feel like you're cool, they might let you in. But look, wait a minute. Am I describing me or a cat? You see, people say the same thing about me. I tend to keep to myself. I keep people at a distance. It's part of my personality and part of where I come from and my life experience. But for those that get to know me, I'm the life of the party. But everybody don't need to know that. And that's why I'm down with the Cool Cats. But us cool cats, see, we just like people. People have individual personality. Well, cats are no different. A good example of this would be Batman and Robin. These two couldn't be any more different. Polar opposites. They're brothers. They have the same father, but different mothers from different litters. Batman's 3 months older. But anyway, Robin is very shy. He's quiet. He likes to keep to himself sometimes. He's not skittish, but that's Robin. Batman, on the other hand, is very outgoing, and he never shuts up. He's talking just to be talking. Batman has no fear of nothing or no one. If someone comes in the door, he's the first one there trying to find out what's up and asking questions. Both cats, even the same breed, but very different individual personalities. Speaking of cat breeds, let's go there for a minute. Different breeds of cats, just like dogs, have certain characteristics that make them who they are. But regardless of the breed, they still have their own individual personality, as I explained with Batman and Robin. Now, cat breeds are very pertinent to this discussion because it's the very reason our cat family came together. Want to hear the story? Alright, here it go. When I got Batman and Robin, I was actually trying to get a dog. This was during the time that I was still running my financial business, and I had moved from Indy back to Maryland. At the last minute, the location of the office I was opening changed, which in turn changed where I was going to live. I was no longer going to have the space for a Connie Corso, which was the guard dog I had been planning to get. Man, was I bummed out. So anyway, during this time, a guy posted something on Facebook about these cats that acted like dogs. They followed you around the house and all that kind of stuff. So to make a long story longer, because I was still disappointed about the dog situation, I figured I'd go ahead and get these Devon Rex cats. And it would be just like having some dogs around without needing all the space. And the rest is history. The Cool Cats crew was born. So this breed of cat, Devon Rex, has a very friendly and outgoing personality. And when we brought Brudman in, his breed, the Bombay, had similar characteristics. That worked for me because I was used to having a dog. Are y'all picking up what I'm putting down? Cats have plenty of personality. They say y'all don't have no personality. What do y'all say? The Three Stooges, I say. Now the experts say that there are technically 5 feline personality types. Let's discuss them so you can determine which one your cat has. Let's start with the neurotic or skittish cat. These guys are high-strung. They are typically anxious, insecure, suspicious, and shy. They're usually fearful of people. These are the cats that run and hide when visitors come over. They fear the unknown. You have to provide these cats with plenty of hideaways around the house. Once they learn that they are safe, their confidence will begin to grow. Next, you have your extroverted or outgoing cats. Cats by nature are very curious, but these cats are downright nosy. They need more mental stimulation than others. They can get bored real easy and can resort to destructive behavior if you're not careful. You have to play with these bammers like every day, straight up, and make sure they have plenty of toys. There are cats that have a dominant personality. These cats are a challenge to have in a multi-cat household. They try to hog all the resources from the other cats, such as toys, food and water, and even the litter box. The key to this mess is to make sure each cat has their own stuff and place all their stuff far apart. The dominant cat can't be everywhere at once. And we can never leave out the impulsive cats. These cats may react differently to the same situation on different occasions. They're like a box of chocolates. Y'all know the rest. When faced with uncertainty, they tend to run first and ask questions later. These cats are managing a mix of high energy and anxiety. It's important to have set routines with these cats so they can know when something is about to happen. It helps them behave more appropriately. And last but not least, we have the agreeable cats. An agreeable cat is just what it sounds like, a social butterfly that gets along with everyone. They are ideal for a multi-cat household. This agreeable personality is usually the result of a cat that was well socialized as a kitten. So, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, cats have plenty of personality. Now remember, folks, to treat your animals well. They didn't ask to be there with you, but now all they have is you. Treat them like family. Fam.